Welcome to the Microsoft Publisher application course. In today's video, we will continue with the other parts of creating and working with text in a publication. Specifically, we'll start with looking at how you can move text and copy text from one location to another, and also using the undo and redo commands. So let's pull up our practice publication. And here we are in page 2. So to show you how you can move text from one location to another, remember we have a text box of text, and we also have some text in the publication page as well. So if I want to move this text, let's say down, I can simply select it like we already showed you in the previous video. I will go to home and I'll go to cut, and when I click cut, I go to the location I want to put it. Let's put it after great work. So let's say click here, we press enter, and then we want to have it here. Then you go back to home and you click paste, and then it appears there. So if you want to move it back, you do the same thing, and there's a shortcut for moving, which is Ctrl X, and also it's actually called the cut command. So in the same way, if I want to move this box of text, well, the easiest way would be click on the sides at the top or any of the side, hold your mouse and just move it to where you want. So that's one way to move it. Another way is that you can still use the cut command. So I will click on it, select it, then I will click home and click cut, goes away. Let's come down here. Let's say we click enter, and let's see whether it will appear here or it will just appear anywhere. So I will click home and I'll click paste, and it's still there. So I think if you really want to move a text box, just click, hold, drag it to where you want, and that's the easiest way. So let's put it here. Now the next thing we will do is looking at making copies of your text or your text box, which is also applicable for like your graphics or any other thing you will put later or make later with your publication. So we start with the text box. Let's say I want to make a copy of this text box, so I will click on it to select, then I'll click home, and on the clipboard I'll click copy, and let's just click anywhere, home, paste. So now it's covering the other one, so I have to drag it out. So click on the edge and drag it out, and there you go. So now you have two text boxes, and you can say this, let's just leave it as this, and later we can change the wordings in one text box. Now if you want to create a copy of the text within your publication page, which are not in the text box, let's say you want to make a copy of this, you can select it, go to home, copy, go to the position you want, and go to home, and then click paste. So that's how you can copy a text. So you can do the same with this. So let's show you how to use Ctrl C. So I've selected this text. On my keyboard I press the Ctrl key and I press C, and I go down, let's say down, and I can press home and paste, and there you go. So that's how you can also do the copy and the paste. So the next topic we need to talk about is using undo and redo. So to use undo and redo, we've already copied and moved a number of texts. So the last thing we did was to copy this text and put it here. So if we click undo, so there is undo button, it will undo the paste you did last. And if you want it back, you can click redo and it comes back. If you want to undo a number of things you did last time, so you just keep clicking undo. So I click undo, that one goes. Now click undo, comes back to the position here, click undo, this text is gone that we copied. I click undo, I move the text box we moved downwards is back. I click undo, and the copy of that text box is gone. And if I want them back again, I simply click redo, click redo, click redo, click redo, click redo, click redo, and that's it. And that is for today's video, with showing you how to move, copy, and then how to use undo and redo. Thank you, and see you in the next video.